Understanding past perfect continuous tense. Dodge the common mistakes. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to tackle a very important yet frequently misunderstood aspect of English grammar. Yes, we're diving into the world of past perfect continuous tense. Our focus for this video will be the common mistakes and pitfalls, specifically how learners often confuse it with other tenses. Before we move forward, let's do a quick review. Past perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that started in the past and continued until another time in the past. It is formed using had been and the ing form of the verb. For example, she had been reading for 2 hours when he arrived. Now let's talk about some common mistakes. It's easy to mix up past perfect continuous with other tenses. Let's look at how it differs from past simple, past continuous, and past perfect tenses. 1. Past simple. This tense is used to show that an action was completed in the past. It uses the past form of the verb. For example, she read a book yesterday. The mistake can occur if you use the past perfect continuous when the action is already completed and the time duration is not important. 2. Past continuous. This tense indicates that an action was happening at a specific time in the past but doesn't necessarily imply it was ongoing until another action. For example, she was reading when the phone rang. A common error is to use the past perfect continuous when there's no need to emphasize the duration of the action. 3. Past perfect. This tense shows that an action happened before another action in the past. For instance, she had read the book before she went to bed. The error occurs when you use past perfect continuous even when there's no need to highlight the ongoing nature or duration of the action. Let's look at some examples that illustrate these differences. Past simple. She lived in London. Past perfect continuous. She had been living in London for 5 years when she decided to move to Paris. In the first example, we're simply stating a fact about the past. In the second, we're indicating a duration of time that ended when she moved to Paris. Understanding the nuances of the past perfect continuous tense can greatly improve your English language proficiency. Always remember, it's about showing an action that started and continued up to another action or time in the past. Avoid confusing it with past simple, past continuous, or past perfect tenses by keeping their unique usages in mind. We hope this video helps clarify this often misunderstood tense. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!